At alam niyo mga kapaturan, ngayong Sabado, June 29, the whole CPUC is celebrating this Sabbath as a stewardship Sabbath. 1 Samuel 14:6 says, "For nothing restrains the Lord from saving by many or by few." This story mga kapaturan,